Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout or activity to the workout list. We need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the Samsung Health icon and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the exercise widget right here. Once you find it, tap on the workout button to open the list of workouts. And here we have it. We have workouts and activities right here. And we can add some workouts to this list. To do it, find the add button and tap on it. And here we can select the exercise. You can also create a custom exercise if you want to by tapping on create new exercise. First, let's tap on select exercise and scroll through the list. For example, let's add archery. As you can see, it appeared right here on the list. If you want to create a custom one, tap on add, tap on create new exercise, tap here to name it. Select if you want to record the distance, speed and route with GPS. And once you're done, tap on save. And here you have it. You can also remove the workouts, I believe by pressing and holding on one, then tapping on remove, like this. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you add workouts or activities on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.